Stop overpaying at the dealership. Today we're unboxing the iCarsoft CR Elite P, the ultimate sweet spot scan tool built for practical car owners and DIYers who want professional results without the hefty price tag. This powerhouse covers over 58 global car brands and targets the 4 absolute lifelines of your vehicle: the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. It puts every single penny exactly where it matters. Now, why go with the P version? Because the CR Elite P is a massive upgrade over the standard CR Elite. The CR Elite P upgrades to a 5-inch responsive touchscreen with one-click wireless internet updates. Let's open it up. First off, it comes in a rugged case, perfect for throwing into your toolbox or trunk without worrying about damage. The main unit features a bright 5-inch touchscreen. Holding it in my hand, it feels incredibly solid, premium, and the ergonomics are spot on with a non-slip grip. Next, the standard OBD2 main cable to securely connect to your vehicle. You also get a comprehensive user manual in 6 languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Dutch, and a USB-C cable for charging or connecting to your computer to export your diagnostic reports. This is the main screen you see right after booting up. The user interface is clean and incredibly intuitive. Tap on the diagnostic icon and you'll find a massive wall of 58 car brands. You can filter by region to find your car instantly, or simply let the tool auto-detect your VIN. It's fast and hassle-free. In the service menu, you will find the 50 special functions. It covers all your high-frequency DIY maintenance tasks: oil reset, EPB electronic parking brake calibration, ABS bleeding, TPMS reset, and DPF regeneration. Doing just 1 or 2 of these resets at home pays for the tool itself. Over in the Update menu, you can upgrade the device with just 1 click via wireless internet to keep your software up to date. In the User Data menu, you can check the digital manual and look up fault codes. Under Settings, you can choose from 15 available languages and customize the system options to fit your preferences. Reliable, powerful, and ready to work. That is the iCarsoft CR Elite P, a true diagnostic sweet spot tool focusing on your car's 4 major lifelines with active tests and 50 maintenance resets. See you in the next one!